In today's video, we will try to learn the setup of GST in our company. For this, we will create a new company, press F3, then go with create, then create the company. I want to put the name of the company, which is GST Limited. So I will put GST Limited. The state will be West Bengal. Press enter, keep press enter. If you want to fill these details, fill it. Accept yes. There is a new window will open which show us the features. For this we have to come here and make show more features yes and show all features yes. So we can see all the features. For this now we will go with this. Say enable goods and service tax GST made it yes, because we want to activate this GST, and set alter company GST rate and other details I will made it no, because when we sell only one product with only one GST rate, then we will make this yes. If we will sell or we will purchase or sell, we will mainly our business is oriented on with multiple GST rate product, then we will make this no. So I will make this no, and the GST is yes. So there is nothing to change. For this now press enter, keep press enter, accept yes. The GST application is open. Then press F11, select GST Limited, then go with GST here. Now we have to put all these GST details. For this, registration status will be the active, state will be West Bengal, and the registration type will be regular, because we want to put regular GST, so it will be regular. Then SSC of other territory, it will be no, and then you have to mainly fill this GST number. You have the GST number of your own, you have to put it here. Then the periodic, if you don't provide, then the warning is showing here. You have to put this GST number, which is your own GST number, so you have to put that. I'll skip this now. The periodic of GSTR 1, it will be monthly. When it will be monthly or when it will be quarterly? When you sell or your activity will be under or below 5 crore, then 5 crore, then it will be monthly, or it will, if when it will be over or over the 5 crore amount, then it will be quarterly, so I will set it monthly. Then e-invoicing applicable, made it yes. When it will be yes? When our sales is less than 5 crore. Okay, it will be yes when our sales is less than 5 crore. Then made it yes. Then applicable, which is will be from the April, because we created a new company. So invoice bill from place, put your place. I want to put this place Kolkata. I put it, then press enter. E-bill applicable, made it yes. When we will made it yes? When uh, sorry, when we send our goods from one place to another place or one state to another state, which value is more than 50,000, then we will made it yes. When our good is sent one place to another and the value of this good are more than 50,000, then made it yes. It is very important. These details are very important for us. Then applicable for interstate, made it is also. Press enter, accept yes. If you will made accept yes, then we will, our GST detail fill up is complete. I don't put the GST number, but you have to put the GST number, because it is the main thing, otherwise your GST will not be applicable anyway. So put it your GST number and made these details like this. So this is for today. Thank you for watching.